And I am from Kota.
Hello everyone, this is Sunidhi Binda from Kota.
So we are going to the conversation between a customer or a shopkeeper. So let's start. Hello, good evening.
Hello ma'am, good evening. Which book do you want?
Do you have English conversation written by Henry James?
Oh, I am afraid it has been sold out.
Sold out? I don't think so. It's possible because this book cannot be such in a great demand.
Wait a minute ma'am, do you have any other book in your mind?
Sorry, I'm disappointed.
I am sorry ma'am, let me check out with my manager once again.
Okay, don't worry about that. Tell me how long will it take you to get me a copy of this book? Because I need it urgently.
If you have been urgent it, so you could buy English conversation book at online bookstore.
No, I don't trust at online bookstore because last time I purchased English book and it takes a lot of time to deliver.
Oh, okay. If you could give me 2 weeks, then I'll please order right away.
Okay, thank you. I want to browse through some your latest arrival and picks some of the books of lot.
Yes, ma'am. From here, you move straight down,
Okay.
then turn left. You will find a fresh arrival on either side.
Okay. Can somebody guide me through?
Yes, ma'am. You will find a boy at the beginning of corridor. I am sure he will help you.
Okay, I want to ask you one thing. Can you suggest me an online website where I could read the English conversation at bookstore?
Yes, ma'am. You should visit Gaurav Degree. It is a free website where you read English conversation and English grammar.
Okay, thank you. I would look upon the Google.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. So if you like our video, so please subscribe and channel.